Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Allison and I have a super quick, simple layout to share with you today. It's a pocket page layout. There are two pockets in it. They are both 4 by 6 inches. One pocket is going to have a journal card like this one. It has my journaling on it that I typed on the computer and then printed with my home printer. And all it is going to get besides the journaling is a phrase sticker. I am playing with the Good Story kit from Ellie Edwards. I am trying to crush this kit before the Seek Story kit comes, and I just woke up to an email this morning to say that it's already on its way. So I don't know how much of this kit I'm going to get done before it arrives, but I'm going to give it a good shot. This is actually the second story I'm sharing with this kit. The first one I can't share yet because it's a surprise, so you will have to wait for that one. I decided that the phrase sticker I originally had pulled off of the carrier sheet didn't quite fit with the stories, so I put it back, pulled off another one, and put it just below the title and phrase at the top of the journal card. Now I've turned my attention to my photo. I printed it at home as well. It's 4 by 6 inches and it's a picture of Freddie Dog. This story is about Freddie in its entirety. He is a senior. He is having some problems. He's healthy, but just having some minor issues, the biggest one being his teeth. They have gone bad. They're falling out of his head, and he needs to have surgery to have the rest pulled. So that is what this story is about. That is what he is facing. That surgery is coming up later in September. So he doesn't know it yet, thankfully, but that's what the plan is. So I added a chipboard shape from the Good Story kit that says, "Yikes, that is not good." And then I'm adding one of the happy faces that came with this kit as well next to it. I'm going to put it on some white cardstock. I wasn't entirely sure how I wanted to attach it to the photo. I knew that I wanted to staple it, but I didn't know if I wanted to staple it directly to the photo. And then I wanted the color of that shape to really shine and show through. So the white cardstock helped to achieve that. And then I just stapled it to the cardstock instead of stapling it to the picture. That way I could use liquid glue to attach it to the photo and it will be a permanent bond and I don't have to worry about it falling off. So I am just trimming around that circle right now so you don't see any of the white cardstock peeking from behind it. And then I will take my liquid adhesive and attach it next to the chipboard shape on that picture of Freddie. And honestly, that is it for this layout. I had a real hankering for crafting. I have been doing crafting behind the scenes, but I have some stuff that I'm working on that I can't share yet. So everything needs to stay under wraps. It is coming. Stay tuned to my channel because it will be shared here most definitely. So you will be the first to find out what I have up my sleeve. But I wanted to hop on and just share something with you because I missed it. So here I am. So there, that happy face is attached to the photo. As you can see, I turned it upside down because it's not technically a happy story. It will be in the end. It'll be a happy ending, but right at the moment, it's not so happy and we're not feeling so great. So that's why I turned it so that it's upside down. I was going to put the 4 by 6 inch journal card into its pocket and then realized that I needed to add the date yet. So I pulled out my new Paige Evans roller date stamp, found the correct date and a cute little image to go along with it. And I'm going to stamp it in black ink to the top left corner of my journal card. Here I'm just taking a minute to figure out what the date first of all, and then because I'm old and my eyes suck, I had to look at it in really good light and hold my glasses up because I have the progressives so that I could see exactly what phrases were on the roller date stamp because my eyes couldn't pick it up otherwise. So that's what I'm doing right here. I am just trying to sort things out because my eyes are not as sharp as they used to be. Once I have that done, I just settle on a cute little arrow that points to the date, and this layout is complete. I do have close-ups coming up, just a couple of them, so feel free to stick around for those. I want to take a second just to welcome all of my new subscribers. I'm so glad that you're here, and I hope that you enjoy everything that I share here on this channel. And of course, I wish the same for my returning subscribers as well. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and a like, and I hope you stick around to see the other stuff that I post in the very near future. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will be back again soon. Bye guys.